today we're gonna do something related to a feather. I got this feather here. It could be any feather, a bird's feather, eagle's feather that you can find. So this is a natural one, and I'll be drawing it on this brown tone background. So I'll be using bright colors, as you see, white, green, and yellow. But you can also use pastel so it can stand out more for your different layers of color. And the idea is really to go through, look really at the shape and the size of the feather. It could be the same size as what you see, or it could be larger. So here I really started with this crayon to start the base of the image, and then I'll switch right away to a different color over here. And as you're an artist, so you make sure to pick the color that you see, and depending of your background as well. If you're taking something much lighter, then you'll change your color too. And the idea is really not focusing on the object, but looking at the shapes and the lines that you got over here on the feather. As I said earlier, you can pick any feather from any bird, right? And to add another kind of dimension, you can use also pastel